Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your personal finances with Bank of America, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your personal finances with Bank of America, start by setting up online banking. Visit the Bank of America website and click on the sign up option. Follow the prompts to create your online account, providing necessary information like your account number and social security number. Once your account is set up, enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will require a code sent to your phone or email each time you log in. Next, regularly monitor your account activity through the online banking portal or mobile app. Look for any transactions that seem unfamiliar or unauthorized. If you spot anything suspicious, report it to Bank of America immediately. Consider setting up account alerts to notify you of changes or suspicious activities. You can customize alerts for low balances, large transactions, and unusual login attempts. Now, safeguard your personal information by using strong, unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or names. Change your passwords regularly and never share them with anyone. Opt for Bank of America's credit monitoring services to keep tabs on your credit score. This service can alert you to any significant changes in your credit report. Utilize Bank of America's budgeting tools available in the mobile app. These tools can help you track your spending and ensure you are living within your means. Make it a habit to review your credit report at least once a year, looking for errors or discrepancies. You can access a free annual credit report by visiting annualcreditreport.com. If you have financial accounts at other institutions, link them with your Bank of America account for streamlined management. This will provide a comprehensive view of your finances in one place. Stay informed about potential scams and phishing attempts that may target your financial information. Beware of unsolicited emails or messages asking for your personal details. Finally, consider consulting a financial advisor through Bank of America for personalized guidance on managing your finances securely. By following these steps, you can enhance the protection of your personal finances with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.